Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. So today I just have some packages to open and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on it and see what's in here. Oh, I know what's in here. My vitamins. I ordered D3 and K2, which is helpful for it's helpful for your bones, for your teeth. It's helpful for it says right here, bone and immunity. You see that? Bone and immunity on the bottom right here. This is just tea. It's just stuff. I usually order the kind that's scented, but this one is not scented. But I mean, you know what? I gotta make do with it, so I'm not gonna complain because yeah, let's go. I'm good on toilet paper, I'll tell you what. And that's all that matters at the end of the day. You know, you get what you need, and that's how I've been actually surviving, really, on I guess a fixed income is what you would call this. I got this on sale too. This is, I've been using salicylic acid and sulfur inside of my shampoo, and this one has salicylic acid in it. So I thought it would be a good try for me. And I don't see any sulfur, but it does have ammonium lauryl sulfate. So I mean, I don't know. I always feel like if it says sulfate, it's gonna have sulfur in it anyway. But it's 3% salicylic acid. It is for itchy, dry scalp. It has vitamins B3 and E in it. And it's a natural shampoo. So you can find natural ingredients like aloe and etc. But I mean, like if you need it, like this is like on sale too. It has a coupon. It's under $10 too. Oh, this one is hygiene. It's like women's hygiene. And this is, these are like hospital grade tampons, so I wanted to try them. They're Dynacare and they're Super Plus. They're unscented with plastic applicator. 20 for $8. I thought it was good because it was on sale and I really want to try them. So there's that. And then of course restock on plant-based milk, which I got this Westlife. It has 9 grams of protein, unsweetened soy milk. And I was looking at the back of the cart and it says, the back of the carton says it's got 2% carbs. It sounded good to me. So it's got 100 calories per serving and it looks pretty good in the back, so I wanted to try it. Oh, this is just a restock of ramen. Oh, here I have lemonade. I have these lemonade. It has 5 calories per serving, and it says 1/5 of a packet, and it has 6 packets in it. Or yes, it has 6 packets in it, and each packet makes 2 quarts. So this is good. I think one large pitcher is 4 quarts, so you just need 2. And it's like got 0 sugar in it. You can see that. And to me that is really, really special. I got these Power Crunch bars. I don't know why they look so tiny. They just look so freaking small to me. Are they that small, or did I get literally bamboozled? I don't know. This must be a hoax. Let's see. Yeah, they're the same size as they've always been. And I think, well, they have the same ingredients. This is 220 calories, so if you're on a calorie restriction, be careful when you're eating protein bars. These are 13 grams of protein, 4% carbs, and let's see. The last but not least, these are the flavor lemon meringue, and these are the healthier Power Crunch bars. I like their content, far as nutrition, better than the rest. This was $2.99. It's how many? 8 ounces. It's white glue, so it's, I mean, it'll do. I'm still working on my craft stuff. Then of course I got this stuff in my Marchon, and this stuff is about $8 tops. It comes with a coupon every time I get it on coupon, because yeah, sometimes you can find these for like $5. Sometimes I find them for under $3, and it's like 2 something for 24 or however many it comes with. And yeah, love the sales, love my haul. And if you like it, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. My Sunday from. Bye bye.